Hello guys, my name is Jose. I guided pole fly fishing for a long time. I live in Xcalak for a long time, Quintana Roo, Mexico. I guided 26 years ago. I have my little business and the fly fishing. I have ready 3 boats for fishing. The fly for permit is like a manta shrimp, like a cockroach, like a toad, or tarpon. And the bonefish, manta shrimp, crazy Charlie. This is my special fly for permit. My special fishing is a permit. Xcalak. I like to the town, to the people, very nice people in the town. Looking for the permit is like tailing permit in the nervous water. It's more easy to the fish more in the morning. The tarpon is looking to the close to the mangrove and the ocean side, rolling. The bonefish mainly flat in the bay, Thermal Bay, looking for the small lagoon and the like a flat tailing fish. Anyway.
guys, my name is Jorge. I am son of Captain Jose. I've guided 6 years ago for fly fishing in saltwater. I am from Xcalak Quintana Roo, Mexico. My favorite fish for fishing, I have two favorite fish. I like so much the fishing for big jacks. It's a good fighter. I like fishing for tarpon. It's a good fish, jump it, super fun.
Hello my friends, I am Javier. I am son of Captain Jose. I am guiding 3 years ago. My favorite fish is tarpon. I am from Xcalak Quintana Roo, Mexico.